Imagine a world where your to-do list actually works for you, not against you. That's the power of the Eisenhower matrix, the productivity tool used by leaders, CEOs, and high performers everywhere. Start with a blank sheet and divide it into 4 quadrants. This simple framework reveals how to take control of your day in just minutes. At the top, write urgent on the left and not urgent on the right. Down the side, label one row important and the other not important. Now, you've built your decision grid. Let's fill it in with real tasks. In the top left, urgent and important, goes what must be done today. Deadline looming? Critical project? Tackle these first. Top right, important but not urgent, houses big goals and strategic planning. These tasks drive you forward, but don't shout for your attention. Schedule time for them. Don't let them slip. Bottom left, urgent but not important, is sneaky. Think interruptions and routine emails. Delegate these or handle them swiftly without letting them steal your focus. Finally, in the bottom right, neither urgent nor important, lives distraction. Scrolling social media, busy work that feels good but achieves little. Eliminate or minimize these altogether. With just this grid, every morning you can sort your tasks, act with clarity, and reclaim your time. Don't be overwhelmed, be organized and proactive. The Eisenhower matrix isn't just theory, it's your blueprint for a productive day. Grab a pen, draw those quadrants, and start prioritizing now. The difference is immediate. Your goals deserve nothing less.